Very good morning to all of you children. In today's session, let us revise on the topic adverb and its kind. That is worksheet 16, 17, 18 and 19. Okay. So let's revise on the topic on adverbs. So what is an adverb, children? Who can give me the answer? Andrea, Binu, come on, tell me, what is an adverb? Yes. Now you should be thorough with all the chapters. Adverb means you should know what it is. Adverb. What do you mean by the word adverb? Who can give me the answer? Andrea, are you ready? Nia, come on, Nia. Come on. What is an adverb?
It adds verbs.
It adds?
Verbs.
How it adds to the verb? Adverb means adding something to the verb. What do you mean by it? We are? Yes, Dave. Yes.
Adverb means describing words. It
Very good.
describes the verb.
Verbs. So adverbs means we are adding something to the verb. It means that we are describing a word that describes a verb is called an adverb. Is that clear to all of you? A word that describes a verb. Verb means what? Action word. Okay. A word that describes a verb. Verb means action word. So a word that describes an action word is called an adverb. So let's move on to the topic, all of you. All of you please get ready with your workbook and also your rough book with you. Okay. Okay, so today we are going to revise on the topic adverb. Adverb is a word that describes a verb. It tells us something more about the verb. So that is called an adverb. Then we have learned that there are three different kinds of adverb. What are they? Kinds of adverb. Kinds of adverb. What are the different kinds of adverb? Yes, who can give me the answer? Yes, Tenan, come on, tell me what are the three different kinds of adverb?
Adverb of manner.
Adverb of manner. Yes, adverb of manner. Then?
Adverb of time.
Yes, very good. Adverb of time. Then? An adverb of?
Lines.
An adverb of? What is the third one? Adverb of? Dan Antonio, come on, tell me, what is the third adverb? Adverb of?
Time.
Time is over. Adverb of?
Time.
Place. Adverb of? Place. So we have learnt about three different kinds of adverb. So we know that adverb is a word that describes a verb. It tells us something more about the verb is called an adverb. Okay, so there are three different kinds of adverb. The first one is the adverb of manner, the second one is the adverb of time, and the third one is the adverb of place. So, Bente, come on, tell me what is adverb of manner means.
Adverb of manner means it is end with ly.
Yes, it ends with ly. Then what else you know about adverb? It ends in ly. That is yes. Then it ends in ly. Then
It's
So an adverb of manner tells us it ends with ly. Okay, that is one thing. Most of the adverb of manner ends in ly. That is right. Then adverb of manner, adverb that tells us how an action happens is called an adverb of manner. Is that clear to all of you? Adverb that tells us how an action happens is called an adverb of manner. It tells us how an action happens. So it answers the question how. Is that clear to all of you? So adverb of manner answers the question how. an adverb that tells us how an action happens is called an adverb of manner. Is that clear to all of you? Then, most of the adverbs of manner end in ly. There are three words which do not end in ly. Which are those words? Which are those words? Yes, hard.
Well, fast.
Okay, hard, well, fast. Okay, so hard, well, fast. These are the three words that do not end in ly, but they are adverb of manner. Is that clear to all of you? So adverb of manner ends in ly. So adverb that tells us how an action happens is called an adverb of manner. It answers the question how, and some of the words which do not end in ly are hard, well, fast. That is all about adverb of manner, nothing else more. It answers the question how and it ends in ly, and the other words which do not end in ly are hard, well, fast. Please keep it in your mind. Only these 3 points you have to remember. Now let's move on to adverb of time. Come on, Jayare, come on, tell me. What do you know about adverb of time?
It tells us time.
Yes, it tells us time, or it tells us when an action happens. Very good. Okay, it tells us when an action happens. So it answers the question when. So adverb of time, it tells us, or adverb that tells us when an action happens. All of you please do remember, when an action happens is called an adverb of time. It answers the question when. It answers the question when. And some of the adverbs, some of the common adverb of time are, which are they? Now, then, yesterday, today, tomorrow, earlier, later. All these are the adverb of time. Okay, we will say it. Today, tomorrow, yesterday, last year, tonight, earlier, soon, later, now. These are the words which are adverb of, these are the some of the common examples of adverb of time. Is that clear to all of you? Okay, adverb of time. So, adverb that tells us when an action happens. What is that, children? When an action happens, it is called an adverb of time. It answers the question when. Okay, some of the common adverb of time are today. All of you please do repeat it. Today, yesterday, tomorrow, last year, last week, okay, earlier, later, soon, now, today, and now. All these are the adverb of time. Is that clear to all of you?
Yes, ma'am.
Clear? Once more we will say it.
Okay, ma'am.
Today,
Today,
yesterday,
yesterday,
tomorrow,
tomorrow,
tonight,
tonight,
last year,
last year,
last week,
last week,
now,
now,
earlier,
earlier,
later,
later,
soon.
soon.
Yes. So these are some of the examples. When you see at that words, you should be able to identify. So these are the adverbs. Adverbs which tells us when an action happens. So it answers the question when. So it is an adverb of time. Is that clear to all of you? Now let's move on to which is the third adverb. It is adverb of place. Okay. Now, what do you know about adverb of place, Fatima? Come on, tell me. Adverb of place, what does it tell us? It tells us where an action happens. So, adverb that tells us where an action happens, it is called an adverb of place. So, it answers the question where. Is that clear to all of you? Okay, adverb of manner answers the question how, adverb of time answers the question when, and adverb of place answers the question where. It answers the question where. Okay, so some of the adverb of place are, it is very quite easy to remember. All of you please do remember this. Here, there.
there,
Okay, inside, outside.
side,
Okay, upstairs, downstairs, somewhere, everywhere. Okay, so these are the some common examples of adverb of place. Once more we will say it. Here,
here,
there, there. Okay, upstairs,
there,
downstairs,
Downstairs.
inside,
inside,
outside,
outside,
somewhere,
somewhere,
everywhere.
everywhere.
Okay, so these are some of the common examples of adverb of place. Okay, so these are the three different kinds of adverb. I hope so it is clear to all of you. Now let's move on to few examples. Okay, after giving you few examples, we'll move on to the test paper. Are you all ready?
Yes, ma'am.
I'll show you how to write the answers first. Otherwise, you may find it difficult. Okay. If the questions are asked like this. I sang yesterday. So this is the question for you. You have to underline the adverb and say its kind. First read the question. I sang yesterday. So answers the question. You ask the question, I sang when? Yesterday. So it answers the question when. Is that clear to all of you? I sang when? You got the answer when? It is yesterday. So yesterday is the answer. Okay, so it answers the question when. So if it answers the question when, then it is adverb of time. Is that clear to all of you? So you have to identify the adverb first, then you have to write what kind it is. Okay, he is walking slowly. He is walking slowly. Okay, he is walking slowly. Now ask a question. He is walking slowly. How is he walking? Slowly. So here it answers the question how, and not only that, it ends with ly. So it is very clear it is adverb of manner. Is that clear? So this is how we are going to identify the adverb in the sentence, and you are going to tell me what kind it is. Are you all ready?
Yes, ma'am.
Are you all ready? Yes, all of you take your rough book with you. I'm going to give you a few sentences. You're going to identify the adverb in the sentence, and all of you take your rough books, children. Are you all ready?
Yes.
Okay. So your question is like this. Underline the adverb. Please do write the questions also. All of you, please do take your rough book. Underline the adverb and underline the adverb and write their kind. Okay. Okay, let me write few sentences for you. All of you, please do copy down the sentences into your rough book, all of you, so that you know how to write the answers for the examinations. I ride my bicycle. I ride my bicycle fast. It is raining All of you please do write it. Write the sentences properly into your rough book. And you have to identify the Are you all ready? Are you all writing? I searched everywhere for the money. I searched everywhere for the money. And the fifth question is, the old farmer works hard. So these are the 5 sentences, children. Please do copy down the sentences into your rough book, and you have to first identify. It's a revision test, so please don't, all of you please keep your book closed. Write the sentence and identify the adverb first and write its kind. So this is the way one of the question will be asked. This is an important question for you. So if such a question is asked, how is that you're going to answer for the exam?
And we only write answer only.
No, you write, copy down the question first, then you underline it, then you write the answers. Do it fast. Only few sentences are very short sentences I've given to you. Matter of 4 or 5 words in a sentence. So you write quickly. Only if you write it now for the examination, you may find it very easier for you to write it.
Ma'am,
Yes?
ma'am, in third question, it is
Raining, R-A-I-N-I-N-G, raining heavily, H-E-A-V-I-L-Y. It is raining heavily.
ma'am, finish.
Yes.
I'm only this much.
Yes, only 5 questions are there.
Ma'am, finish.
Finished. Okay. Let's answer. Have all of you written the answers well? Please keep your pencils down then if you have answered.
Answer is correct. We have to put the tick mark.
Yes. If the answer is right, we have to put a tick against the right answer. If it is wrong, what you have to do? Put a wrong against it. Are you all ready? Finish it fast.
My is last question.
Yes, write it fast. Yes, children, please try to write it quickly. I'll give you 2 more minutes time. So just a matter of underlining the word and write the answer. Otherwise, write only the answers. Those who haven't completed, write only the answers. Write the correct question number. class. Can we do it? Are you all ready? Yes, I'm going to start. Muhammad Ishan, come on. Do the first one.
Let us play now.
Okay, now pick out the adverb.
Now.
Now, what kind it is?
Adverb of time.
Yes, very good. Adverb of time. It answers now. Let us play. When? Now. So it answers the question when. So it is adverb of time. Okay. Adverb of time. Okay then. Ronald, come on. Do the next one.
Ma'am, I ride my bicycle fast.
Okay, now.
Ma'am, fast.
Fast. Okay, what kind it is?
Adverb of manner.
Yes, very good. Adverb of manner. If it's right, children, put a tick against it. If it's wrong, put a wrong. Adverb of manner. So you know you're going to self-evaluate your work. So you know it. If you know the answers, put a tick against it. Okay. Yes, Zain. Come on, Zain. Do the next one for me.
Ma'am,
Mm.
it is raining heavily.
Okay, it is raining heavily. So,
Adverb of place.
okay, now please, it is raining heavily. Now pick out the adverb first. Which is the adverb?
Manner.
Manner. Okay, which is the adverb there? First, come on, tell me which is the adverb there. Hmm?
Ma'am, heavily.
Heavily. Yes, heavily is the adverb. What kind it is?
Ma'am, adverb of place.
Adverb of?
Place.
How come place? It is raining. Is that tells place? Huh? Is it answers the question where it is raining? Where? Heavily is you're getting the answer. So how it is raining? Manner. It is raining. How it is raining? Heavily. So it answers the question how. If it answers the question how, it is adverb of manner. And also a clue is given to you. It ends with ly. So it is adverb of manner. Okay, don't make mistakes. Okay. Aiden, come on Aiden. Do the next one. I searched.
I searched everywhere for money.
Yes, I searched everywhere for the money. So,
Ma'am, everywhere.
yes, everywhere. What kind it is?
Adverb of place.
Yes, very good. It is adverb of place. Please do write it by the side of it. It is adverb of place. Okay. Yes. If it is right, put a tick against it. Amran, come on Amran. Do the next one.
Yes, ma'am. The old farmer worked hard.
Yes, the old farmer works hard. So,
Ma'am, hard.
hard. Very good. So, what kind it is?
Ma'am, manner.
Very good. Adverb of manner. So this is how. Adverb of manner. So this is how you have to answer it for your examination. Okay children, now we got an idea how to answer it. So those who have got 5 out of 5, please do put there 5 out of 5 and you can evaluate yourself. You can put a grade. Yes, come on, tell me. What do you want to say? Yes.
Can I ask one doubt?
What is that?
Ma'am, can I ask one doubt?
Yes, you can.
Ma'am, we want to write it is adverb of manner.
And yes, you have to write it. The space will be provided for you for the examination, and the examination paper you have, it will be there. So you have to, in your answer script, you have to write the answer. Okay, so the answers, you have to underline the adverb and you have to write the answer there. It will be sent in the WhatsApp group. So you have to copy down the question, underline the adverb and write the answer there. So that is how you have to do it. Okay, so have you understood? So you have to write what kind it is. Okay. Those who have got 5 out of 5, please show me your rough book. Let me see it. Yes, Adiga. Please do put a tick against it, children. You are going to self-evaluate your mark. Yes. Yes. Yes, Muhammad Ishan. Yes, Andrea. Show me your marks as well as your sentences. So this is the way you are going to do it. Yes, very good. Okay. Meha. What about Azra? Azra, show me. All of you turn on your videos, children. Only then I can see your. Yes. Benedict. Amran. Yes, Amran. Andrea. Meha. Stenan. Anandita. Jovial. Ronat. Yes, okay. Zain. Azra. Azra, show me your book. Joyaric. Nobin. Sheba. Adi, where is your book? Okay. Ryan. Yes, 4 out of 5. Okay, Ryan. Then Muhammad Ishan, come on, show me once more. Okay. Andrea, show me your book. Okay. Ishan, come on, show me your book. Ishan. Ishan Raji. Yes. 5 out of 5. Okay. So this is how you have to do it for the examination. And one more chapter we are going to revise, that is pronoun. Pronoun is very, very important, children. As far as preposition and conjunctions are concerned, you will be asked to either fill in the blanks, or you have to underline, or you have to pick out the pronoun, or sorry, pick out the prepositions or conjunction from the sentences. But pronoun as a chapter is very, very important. We'll be revising in the next session. So it is very important for you to revise it. Okay. So when we meet for the next session, I wanted all of you to prepare very well on the chapter pronouns. Is that clear to all of you? Okay. Pronouns we have to revise. I'll just start with it so that we could do something on it. Time is left still. I don't want to waste my time. So all of you, please do listen. How is that you're going to revise it for the examination? Pronouns chapters are very, very important. So we have to revise it very well for the examination. Pronouns. Okay. From the word itself, it's very clear. It tells us it is a word which is used in place of a noun. That is called as a pronoun. Is that clear to all of you? A word used in place of a noun is called a pronoun. Okay. Then, a word used in place of a noun is called a pronoun. Okay. So then, I have taught you about the 7 main pronouns. Which are the 7 main pronouns here? I'm not going to show you any slide regarding it. Showing of slide is okay. Which are the 7 main pronouns, Tejasri? Yes, come on, tell me the answer. Unmute it.
Ma'am, personal pronouns.
No, I'm asking you the 7 main pronouns. I'm not going to, my question is not what are the different kinds of pronoun, but which are the common or the main pronouns what we have learnt. That is, I, come on, it, he, very good, he, she, she, then we, you, they. So these are the common pronouns. Okay. So these common pronouns are also called as the subject pronouns. They are also called as the subject pronouns. Okay. I, it, he, she, we, you, they are also called as subject pronouns because it can be replaced by a subject. Okay, these pronouns can be replaced by a subject in a sentence. So these pronouns are called as the subject pronouns. It alone can be replaced only by the subject. Subject always comes first in a sentence, and subjects can only be replaced by these pronouns. So these pronouns are also called as the subject pronouns. And these 7 pronouns is also as the other form that is called as the object pronouns. So for I, which is the object pronoun for I, it is me. Okay, this is the subject pronoun. Okay, this is called as the object pronoun. Okay, this is the subject pronoun, and it also has the object pronoun. For I, it is me. For it, it is. Who can give me the answer? I'll keep it unmuted for you all to say the answer.
Ma'am,
It, yes. For he, Good. For she it is her. Very good. For we it is us. We it is us. You it is you. It is you. You it is you. And they it is them. They it is them. Very good. They it is them. So these are the subject pronouns which are known as the common pronouns, or it is called as the subject pronouns, and these subject pronouns also have the other form that is called as the object pronouns, and in a sentence subject should be replaced by the subject pronouns alone and the object has to be replaced by the object pronoun. So in the next class we are going to revise on the chapter on the pronouns. So I wanted all of you to revise the chapter well, go through the notes and also the workbook exercises. And some of you asked the doubts regarding the chapter on kinds of So let me ask you children, have you all completed all the exercises from the workbook?
Yes, ma'am.
Everyone?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, please make sure that you have completed all your workbook exercises. Okay children?
Yes, yes.
Yes.
Ma'am.
And some of you asked me the doubts regarding some questions in the workbook. So I will explain it that too even. Otherwise only we have, I think so, on Wednesday we will get a session. So on the Wednesday we will do a thorough revision on the topic. Okay. So on page number 30. Okay, we shall now begin to work. Okay, all of you please do take page number 30. We shall now begin to work. Begin to work. So in this sentence, you will be asked to identify the adverb of time. Now, can you pick out the adverb of time in the sentence? Yes, which is the now. So, if you are asked for this will be asked for maybe for the written examination only, just to identify the adverb of time in a sentences, and also it can be a multiple choice question even. Okay, so here, read the question well. Identify or pick out the adverb of time in the sentence. So here the adverb of time, it is now. Is that clear to all of you? Okay. Time. Okay, now we will do. Yes. I hurt my knee yesterday. So I hurt. Yes, very good. I hurt my knee yesterday. Yes, that's right. Very good. Very good.
Yesterday.
So yesterday is the answer, so that is adverb of time. And some of you asked me about some of the questions, that is okay. Okay, the other questions. This story, third question. This story is well written. So yes, well. So have all of you written the correct answers? Yes. Yes, all of you please do take page number 29 and check whether all of you have written the correct answers. The story is well written. Here the answer is well. What kind of adverb it is? Adverb of? Yes, very good. It is adverb of manner. One more question we will write. It is, we are about to wind up today's session. So I thought we will do a revision on it. Okay. So, he has been shamefully treated. So, which is the adverb here in the sentence? Shamefully. What kind of adverb it is? What kind of adverb it is? Adverb of manner. Yes. He has been shamefully treated. So, shamefully it is adverb of manner. Very good. So, I hope all of you please do revise it very well. Okay, go through all the exercises in pages, that is in page 27, 28, 29 and 30 till the last page, that is till where the adverb gets over, that is till page number 35. Please go through it very well, and for the next session I wanted all of you to go through pronouns even. Go through the pronouns, and if you have any doubts regarding the chapter, the doubts will be cleared in the next session. So it's time for us to wind up today's session, children. Bye all of you. Thank you all. Okay, take care children. Bye bye children. Bye.
Thank you.